the day. We're back. Look at these skis. The Blizzard. Is it Blizzard or Blizzard? I would say Blizzard. But all these funny ski names, you give them the funny pronunciation. Like Dynastar, or is it Dynastar? Anyway, these are pretty fun. Look how serious I am. This is serious business. Ski testing, ski reviews, ski tactics, ski techniques. On the mountain, Alyeska, Alaska. So we've got the pleasure of having the next 3 weekends of spring skiing, and the mountain is melting quickly. So it was interesting though, because our whole winter was cold pow basically, and then it turned warm, so there wasn't a huge. So our corn snow has had trouble consolidating into true corn. So this is off trail, and it's kind of punchy still. This is even a couple weeks into the supposed corn cycle, and it's still kind of punchy and weird. You got to really kind of be languid. You can't really dump the skis sideways too much, but it's working. And you can see the dirtiness. See, the snow looks all dirty. At first I was thinking it was like pollen or something, but the valley's still not producing pollen quite yet. And then I realized, as informed by a friend, that we had that wicked windstorm back in March. So look how dirty this is. The wind blew from the down in the ocean there. There's mud flats, and it just blew the sand everywhere, and it's melting out and consolidating. So it was kind of nice. It actually gives some depth perception to the flat, light conditions. But the snow is basically punchy, isothermic, kind of not sticky, but just heavy, super water saturated. And the groomers are like lightning fast. Like, so off trail, you gotta be gentle, not to hurt yourself. And the groomers are like lightning fast, like, oh my god, so fast. But then corn snow, so interesting, because you're pushing all that weight of volume of snow, the water weight within the snow. So it's just different ski conditions, and I'm on these new skis. Speaking of these skis, they were pretty fun. They're nimble. They're kind of almost a center mount. They could have been back maybe half an inch, but they were good. I'm not complaining. Perfect for this type of gnarly stuff. And it's pretty fun just this time of year. The mountain starts revealing itself again. You get all that deep snowpack melting away, and all the cliffs reemerge, and all the trees reemerge from their hibernation. Whew. Yeah, the groomers, like I said, were ripping fast, and these skis like it. But look at my turns. Notice my right foot turn, my skis are wider than the left foot turn, narrower. Wider, narrower. Wider, narrower. What's wrong? What am I doing wrong? I don't know what's going on. Maybe. And this nice slalom course is cut through. You can see the dirty snow on the sides, and you just kind of follow the white strip. Flat light. I could really look forward to some sun again. We were pretty spoiled though. We had killer pow all winter, and then April, beautiful sun, prime time. Now we got a little bit of rain. This is more typical of Girdwood conditions. A little gray. But these skis were fun. I liked them. We'll do it again next week. I've got like 6 skis that unskied. New skis coming your way. Run of the day. From now, forever. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.